day everyone. Today, I will teach you how to solve cube roots faster and easy. Step 1. You need to memorize cubes from 1 to 10. For example, the cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, and the cube of 4 is 64, and the cube of 5 is 125, and the cube of 6 is 216, and the cube of 7 is 343, and the cube of 8 is 512, and the cube of 9 is 729, and also the cube of 10 is equal to 1000. Memorize the last digit of the cube. So from the cube of 1 is 1, therefore the last digit is 1. And the cube of 2 is 8, therefore the last digit is 8. The cube of 3 is 27, therefore the last digit of 27 is 7. The, the cube of 4 is 64, therefore the last digit of 64 is 4. So on and so forth. Here. Also, can you check 125, the last digit is 5. The cube of 6, the cube of 6 is 216, therefore the last digit is 6. As you can see from here, it's the last digit here. To understand those tricks and steps, I will give an example. For example, find the cube root of 5832. So this is the rules here. Look the last digit, therefore the last digit of 5832 is 2. So what is the cube of number 2? What is the cube of this? The cube of 2 is 8. Then ignore the last 3 digits. Therefore, we need to ignore the last 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Ignore this. Ignore. Therefore, next. Therefore, the remaining digit or the remaining number is 5. So find the closest cube of the remaining number So 5, therefore what is the closest cube? So 1. So therefore, so the answer is 18. Example number 2. Look the last digit, also same the formula. Look the last digit. 6 is the last digit. Then what is the last digit? So what is the cube of 6? 216. 216. The cube of 6 is 216. Therefore the last digit of 216 is 6. Therefore copy number 6. Then ignore the 3 digits, the last 3 digits. Ignore this. So what is the closest cube of remain number? 5, because cube of 5 is 125. 125 is closest to 175. Answer 56. Example. Here, look the last digit. So the last digit of this number is 2. Therefore, cube of 2 is 8. Right? Then ignore the last 3 digit. Ignore this 3 last digit. Then find the closest number of this 681. What is the closest number to cube? Uh, when we cube 5, the answer is 125. When we cube 6, the answer is 216. When we cube 8, the answer is how much? 512. So this is the closest number, 8. Answer 88. Example 9,261. Look the last digit. Then what is the cube of 1? Is 1. Therefore this is 1. The last digit of 1 is 1. Also 1, right? So ignore the last 3 digit. Then what is the closest number here of 9? 2, right? Because 2 times 2 times 2, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. It is closest to. Answer is 21. Here another example. 50. Find the cube roots of 54,872. So the last digit number is 2. Therefore the cube is 8. Therefore 8. Then ignore the last 3 digit. The remaining number is 54. What is the closest number? Three, right? Answer is 38. Because when we cube 3, the answer is 27. When we cube 4, the answer is 64. So this is the answer, 38. Note, you can use this only in a perfect cube. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up.